everyone. Today we will see how to make a summer special recipe. This is the instant no cook Kesar Pista Kulfi. To make this kulfi recipe, take a large mixie jar and in this pour 1 cup of boiled and cooled milk. This is 250 ml of milk. Along with this, add 250 ml of cream. I am using Amul cream. I am using the red packet of Amul cream, the whipping cream. If you don't get this, you can also use the blue packet of Amul cream. Along with this, add half a cup of condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk, then you can add half a cup of sugar also. Half cup is more than enough for us, but if you want your kulfi to be a little more sweeter, then you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons extra. Blend this all together to make it nice and smooth. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Along with this, I am adding a pinch of salt. This is a tiny pinch of salt. If you are using salted pistachio, then skip the salt at this stage, otherwise your kulfi will become very salty. Close the mixie jar again and blend it again. To this, I am going to add some saffron. I have soaked 1 teaspoon of saffron in 2 tablespoons of milk. Add this along with the other milk and cream mixture. And then add 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachio. If you're using salted pistachio, then don't add the salt that we added earlier. Mix this all together. If you like pistachio, then add a little more also. My kids don't like it a lot, so I have added only 2 tablespoons. Now I am pouring this into popsicle molds. If you don't have popsicle molds, then you can also pour this into matkas or any small cups or tumblers or paper cups. Close it and freeze it for about 8 to 10 hours. Then when you're ready to eat, just show the popsicle mold under the tap water for about 5 to 10 seconds. Or if you poured it into matkas, just leave the matkas on the kitchen counter for 5 minutes and then you can open it and eat it. So now the kulfi is ready to be removed from the popsicle molds. Our easy and simple kulfi is ready. Usually when we make kulfi, you have to cook the milk and cream for a very long time. Keep stirring it till it reduces in half. But this is an instant recipe which gets done very quickly within 5 minutes. I have posted a similar recipe using mangoes also, so do check that out. Before serving, sprinkle a little more chopped pistachios. This kulfi is so creamy and tasty. If you want a quick summer dessert, then you can make this and keep it in the freezer. Kids will definitely love it. Do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.